Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya and welcome to another Saturday morning makes. In today's video I'm going to show you two cards I created for Adornit / Dianna Marcum stamp set. I'm gonna show you first the stamps for month of July. So fun. I will start with the paper. I know all my friends, ambassadors shared the stamps and the paper, but why not? Let me share it one more time. So here are the papers. So we have this beautiful cow print, and in the back we have this brown gingham. So we have two of each designs. We have these beautiful colorful daisies, and in the back we have this kind of stripes. We have here like borders, and in the back we have polka dots. And this one, look at this, we have a cow and a dairy jug, a milk, and in the back we have just solid pink cardstock. Okay. So these are the papers for the recipe stamp set. We have this, and we're gonna show it to you here. So we have no peak beef, and this beautiful daisy, and the bow, and this dairy, I think this is milk jug, and it has dairy farm. And I believe this is add-on. So we have this beautiful cow, the string of daisies or flowers. We have fresh milk. Hey there. So cute. And if you are subscribed to Adornit, you know the recipe stamp set, I think you got this stamps already. So let me share with you the cards. First, let me show you the products I used, then I will show you the cards. Okay, so for the dies, I used this die by Lawn Fawn, and this one called a outside and stitch scallop rectangle, and it will cut like this. So you have this border, so you can use this paper, and also we're gonna use the centerpiece, where I'm gonna show it to you in a second. I used this jar die, mason jar dies by Honeybee Stamps. I think this die is really old, so I'm not sure if it's still available or not. I have box of embellishment, most of them Prima flowers, so I used a flower and a ribbon. What else? Yeah, also I used this paper. I used this red gingham, and this collection it's by Eco Park, and it's called A Slice of Summer. So beautiful papers, very colorful. For the inks, I used India ink pad by Adornit, Versamark, Hero Arts, Unicorn white ink. It's a pigment ink. I used this black embossing powder by Brutus Monroe, and another white embossing powder by Recollection. Washi tape. Also, I used this die by CC Design, and this one called Circle Scalloped. I used this ready-made cards. These were part of Anna Griffin kit. I used to buy Anna Griffin kits, but not anymore. So I have these cards. It's A5 size, I believe. Also, I used this this paper. Let me show. This paper was a part of this kit. This was also part of Simon System kit, but it comes like half the collection, so I don't even remember what was the name of this collection. And of course, the stamp sets. This is the first card. So I used the mason jar die, and I die cut a circle, and I stamped the cow here in the middle. Yeah, it's very simple. I'm sorry about the noise that the lens makes. It's trying to focus, but I need to figure out how to turn off the sound, in this lens. But this is the first cut, very simple and easy. I really love it. the second card, which is this one. This is A5 size card, which is huge. So again, I used the mason jar die and I stamped word hey there, added a flower and a ribbon, and when you open the card, you'll find the recipe. No pig beef. And I used this die. I told you this is the one. So the one that popped out in the middle, I used it and I heat embossed, my image. I used the washi tape just to give kind of interest, to the background because it's purely white. Yeah, so these are my projects for this week. I hope you like it. I'm gonna leave all the information for Adornit in the description box and also the links for the stamps. Yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye!